How to buy social token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the code below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. Now, as you can see, one of these updates, as you can see, this post from MEXC listing. So if you read this post, as you can see, they say that show up a next generation social discovery platform powered by AI and blockchain is coming. So vote with MEXC to share massive airdrop. So as you can see, the airdrop, it will be, or the trading, it will be available on 17th February on 14 UTC. So in that time, you need to go and log into your account. So in case you don't have an account on MEXC, go down the description. You will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on MEXC and fund it with some USDT. So until this time, as you can see, in 14 UTC, you will be able to trade this token. So how to buy it? So as you can see, after you create an account and fund it with some USDT, go and log into your account. What you need to do, go to this post and just copy the symbol of the token, copy it, and now go here, as you can see, and paste it. So wait a few seconds to be able to see this pair, as you can see, and click on it. So you need to wait a few seconds, as you can see. So you need to wait 13 hours to be able to buy this token. So as you can see, click on buy here. So if this token is trading alive, click on buy here and select the limit here, type how much you want to buy of that token, and here you will be able to see how much you will be able to pay of that USDT on your account, and click on buy social. So if you select the market, you can drag it to set how much a percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to use it to buy this token, and click here on buy social, and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy social token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.